This tutorial guides you through creating a professional resume online for free using the Resume Builder tool. You will learn how to enter your personal details, work experience, skills, education, and generate a polished resume ready for use. Click the Resources section on the homepage to access available tools and features. Click the Resume Builder option within Resources to start creating your resume. Click the Full Name field and enter your full name to identify yourself on the resume. Click the Phone Number field and enter your contact number for potential employers to reach you. Click the Email field and enter your email address to provide a professional contact method. Click the LinkedIn Profile URL field and enter your LinkedIn profile link to showcase your professional network. Click the City, State, Country field and enter your location to inform employers of your geographic area. Click the Next button to move forward to the Work Experience section of the resume. Click the area to add your first work experience entry, including job details. Click the Next button to proceed after entering initial work experience information. Click the Job Title field and enter the title of your position to describe your role. Click the Company Name field and enter the name of the organization where you worked. Click the Duration field and enter the time period you held the position. Click the Responsibilities field and enter your key duties and achievements in the role. Click the plus Add More button to include another work experience entry if applicable. Click the Job Title field and enter the title for your additional work experience. Click the Company Name field and enter the organization name for your additional experience. Click the Duration field and enter the time period for your additional position. Click the Responsibilities field and enter your duties and accomplishments for the second role. Click the Next button to move on to adding your skills and languages. Click the Skill drop-down and select the appropriate skill category that matches your expertise. Click the Language drop-down and select the languages you are proficient in to highlight your communication skills. Click the Skills field to review and confirm the skills you have added to your resume. Click the Next button to continue to the Education Details section of the resume. Click the Degree field and enter your highest or relevant degree earned. Click the Institution field and enter the name of the educational institution you attended. Click the Year field and enter the year you graduated or expect to graduate. Click the Next button to move forward to Certifications and Volunteer Work sections. Click the Certification field to enter any professional certifications you have earned. Click the Volunteer Work field to include any relevant volunteer experiences. Click the Generate Resume button to create and download your completed professional resume.